Hello and welcome. In today's video I'm going to demonstrate how to replace the key fob battery in this Citroen 3-button remote key fob. The key fob battery is stored inside this housing that you can see here. What we first need to do is turn this lock pin here over to the unlock position, like so. We get our small screwdriver and prise open the housing that holds the key fob battery, like this. We need to get a little screwdriver and prise out the key fob battery. We get our new key fob battery, which is a CR2032, like this one. We pop it back into its housing. Now it's time to pop the key fob battery back into the fob. When it's all in place, we need to turn this lock pin back into the lock position to secure it in place. And it's all done, and you're good to go.